guys, welcome back to Star's channel. Today I'll be opening a mystery box. I don't even know what's inside it, so this is going to be very exciting. But before we get started, I have two things to say. So number one, I have a very special guest today who is a viral sensation. Dun, 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 it's my sister! Say hello.
Hello.
She actually has a YouTube channel called Vanika Vlogs. So if you want to check it out, you can go, and the link is in the description. So yeah, and we are going to do a like, subscribe and notification bell challenge. I want you to click all those buttons with, what finger shall we choose?
Thumb.
Okay, so all those buttons with your thumb in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you did it, give yourself a pat on the back. Now let's actually get started. This humongous parcel was actually sent from my grandpa and grandma from India as a Diwali present. So let's open it. Oh my goodness, it's heavy, guys. Okay, you want to open it together? Okay, you have to pull it. 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness, you have to be strong. Hey, we nearly done it. Whoops, we destroyed the box. Ooh, wowzers. We demolished it. Okay, now we're gonna open the destroyed box. Open the demolished. Inside the box, there's newspaper with some random language written on it. And inside, ooh, leggings. Okay, what color is this? I don't know. It's like navy blue, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah, it looks quite nice. I'll put it to the side.
She's good.
Okay, you can open the next one. Open it. Whoa, whoa.
Ah, it's this.
No, don't open anything. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, that's so pretty. I think it's a 2-piece set. I think these go together. Oh my goodness. It looks so good. It's a 2-piece set as well. Is this for you? Yeah, okay. Wait. Oh, I think it's a little too big for you. But, yeah, the skirt looks perfect. I am so jealous. Okay, I'll put it this side because it's yours. What is this? Is a hat with some stuff inside, I think? Wait. What is this? Is this like a game? Yeah, I think it's a game. I'll put it to the side. Ooh, really soft hat. Wait, is this for me or is this for you? It's really confusing. It's so fluffy inside.
That's me.
No, I want it. Oh, wait, should I try it or should I give it to her? I'll let her try it first. Nope. Wait, Oops. I actually took it off. Wait, I'll put it back on you.
Ah.
It looks really pretty on you. Okay, I think this is definitely for me. It's really nice, hand knitted. Yeah. Okay, open the next one. Okay. What are you gonna get? What are you gonna get? Oh my goodness. Oh, it's another 2-piece set. It's another 2-piece set. Wowzers, it is long. Wow, this is super long. I don't know if it fits me.
It's for you.
No, it doesn't fit me. I probably have to go into it. Or I could give it to my mum. I don't know if she'll like it, but let's see. Oh, it comes with this. It's super cute. See? This shirt actually fits me though. It looks really cool with loads of flowers. And yeah. Okay, get the next one. Oh, super excited to see what's in it. This. Wait, what? Oh, it's a dress. It looks so nice. It has this lovely button as well. Oh, I love it. I'm going to wear it all the time. Okay, this is for me. She hardly has any stuff. Wait, let's see if there's any stuff for her. Ooh. It's another 2-piece set. They love 2-piece sets. Yep, this is for her. It's super pretty with green and it has green roses to match it. The green's on here. And yeah, I think it'll fit you. She's over here. And yeah, it looks amazing. Put it to your side. Okay, my turn. Oh, there's loads of stuff in here. take this out. What is this? Wait. Let's explore it together. What? Is this like a skirt? Oh, I think it might be like this thing you put on your head and it goes like this. It's alright. I don't really like the colour green, but yeah, it's nice. It's like a towel and it feels super soft though. Okay, you want to get the new thing? Okay. Wait, get to the bottom so you can get the good stuff. This is the softest thing I've ever felt. Wait, feel it? It's so soft, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's so soft, isn't it?
It's small.
Is it small?
Yes.
No, it's not. I think this is for me. This one's quite small, so this is probably for her though. Yep. It's similar, but this one's way softer. And pink! I love pink! This is mine. This is hers. Ooh, what's this? Wait, I think I know what these are. These are like these crisp things, I think. I can't wait to try these out. These look nice and they're like really crispy. I want them. And we have another packet. They must be really good. Oops, sorry.
You take this goes.
Yeah, sorry. Oh. There's another one of this. They must think it's really nice because I sent like 2 packets of these. It's yours. And this is just like some kitchen stuff, which is boring. So we have like 2 of these. This rubber band. I didn't know why we need rubber bands. 2 more rubber bands. They're gigantic. What's this? It's like powder. I think it might be like coloured powder to use. What is this? Okay, this is like some tools and stuff. Ooh, it actually says my name on it, yes. Ooh, this is like food. It looks really nice, guys. Doesn't it? It looks really nice. Do you want to eat it this night? Yeah. Oh my goodness, what is this? Oh, I think it's like a pan, isn't it? Wait, knock it.
Yes.
Knock it. Yeah, it's a pan. Probably for like frying stuff. Okay. Wait, let's do this first. These are really nice. They're basically like mini sweeties. And
That
they
is
are so good.
jaggery. This is honey jaggery.
No, it's not. That's different. This is really nice, guys. Now, this powder. Oh my goodness, they haven't even sealed it. Yes, they have. They sealed it here. I would have tipped out. Okay, this is like powder. I really don't know what it's for. It might be sugar, but they probably wouldn't have not sent sugar all the way from here. Okay, some string. It's like really thick string, so I can use it to make like bracelets and stuff. Oh, I love these. She loves them as well. You like these, don't you? Yeah, these are like really nice. They're like these sweets you can make for Diwali, and it's extra fun because you actually get to make them instead of buying them, and it tastes super good as well. Okay, what's this? Yes, sweet! We got some quality street. This looks very nice. Wow. It has a post-it note saying sweets for children. Okay, what's this? I actually do not know. It says something on it. I cannot read it. It says P-car can do. Tell me, click the like button if you know what it means. I definitely don't, so it's sad. Okay, put this in here. It's crabbed on this side. We'll use that side next. There's so much stuff in this. What is it? It smells really nice, smell it. Yeah, it's nice, isn't it? Oh, I don't know, it might be like this coffee or something. It's like really powdered on this side, not really powdered on this side, so we're looking forward to see what it is. I love these! These are like the peanut cakes you get, and these are super healthy, and they're super tasty as well. Last but not least, we have this. What is it? I don't know, it's like wrapped up. Don't know what it is. It's like in this bag. It smells of nothing. Look, smell it. You don't like it? It smells of nothing, seriously. Okay. I'm gonna find out what it is soon. So that is empty. Look how cramped it is. They fit so much stuff in here. Look, it's literally nothing now. So I really enjoyed all the dresses. They look really pretty and I can't wait to try them on. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, right? Smash it! Smash it!
Smash! Smash!
Now there's nothing in this box and our sofa is literally cramped. So my sister actually had to get out because she literally had no space to sit. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button and click the subscribe button and the bell if you forgot to do it in the challenge. Make sure to watch all my other videos as they are like really good. And I'll see you next time. Goodbye!